get and it. In this video, I'll show you how to use get it when a person understands something. We use get it for understanding. Do you get it? Or do you understand it? You could use either verb, get or understand. Yes, I get it. Or you could just say, I get it. Yes, I get it. Or I get it. If the answer is negative, then in the present tense, no, I don't get it. No, I don't understand. I don't understand it, or I don't understand. When I'm working in the classroom with students, sometimes I'll hear a student say, I don't get it. And my response might be, what don't you get? What don't you understand? Or I could say, what don't you get about it? So that the student is more specific about the thing that he or she does not understand. This is a question for something very specific that the student might not understand. Whenever you study the verb get, it is important to look at how the verb changes get, got, gotten, or got, getting. In the present tense, I get it, or she gets it. Remember, in the present tense, you need this S here. In the past tense, regardless of subject, use got. I got it, he got it, they got it. And in the present continuous tense, I'm getting it. Or you might hear someone say, I'm starting to get it. This is when someone's understanding of something is in progress. I'm getting it. Or I'm starting to get it. I'm starting to understand. Here, I don't get it. Over here, she doesn't get it. Past tense, I didn't get it, or you could say that. I didn't get that. And here, I'm getting it becomes negative by putting not right here. I'm not getting it. I am having trouble understanding. I'm not getting it. In the past tense, use the helping verb did. Did you get? And then you could use this pronoun. Did you get that? Because this is in the past tense, it's distant from the situation. But you could just say it. And then the answer, yes, I got it. Or you could say, yes, I got that. If it's negative, then no, I didn't get that, or it. I didn't get that, or I didn't get it. And sometimes when you answer this way, in the negative, it's because you didn't hear what somebody said. I didn't get that. Sometimes is similar to I didn't hear that, or I didn't hear it. I didn't get that, or I didn't get it. Most likely it'll be that. I didn't get that. I didn't hear that. I didn't get that. I didn't get that. Could you please repeat? I didn't get that, or I didn't hear that. Could you please repeat? I don't get why, and then you can add on to this a clause. They did that. I don't get why they did that. Or use it. I don't get why they did it. You could put this in the present tense too. I don't get why they do that. I don't get why they are doing it or doing that. I'll never get it. Or I'll never understand. I don't get why, or I don't understand. And after why, you could add something to it. I don't get why, and then you would have a subject of some kind and then a verb. I don't get why that happens. Subject and verb after I don't get why. Here are examples of things that people typically don't get. They might not get art. They might not understand the art or the music, especially if it's modern art or modern music. They might not get it. Or humor. Humor is something that people often don't get, especially if they're not of the culture. Or entertainment. Not everyone is entertained by the same things. So this depends on the audience. And in school, you might not get math or science or language. It's very common to hear students say in school that they don't get certain subjects. When talking about humor and the telling of a joke, did you get the joke? And your possible responses are, yes, I got it, meaning that you understood the humor. But if you didn't understand the humor, then you'd say, no, I didn't get it. Or a lot of people would just put this in the present tense for a joke that was just told. You would probably use this present tense helping verb. No, I don't get it. I don't get the humor. I don't understand why it's funny. If you don't live in the country, if you don't understand the culture, if you don't know the culture, then it's possible you don't get the humor. You don't understand the joke. I don't get it. Or I don't understand why it's funny. There are a lot of things that I don't get. I don't get racism. I don't get discrimination. I don't get hatred. I also don't understand indifference when it comes to these three things. Did you understand what I showed you in this video? Did you get it? If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. You can also visit my free website at EnglishForThePlanet.com.